Hey, this is Sam from Tresidio Homes. Today we're going to run through your system. I'm going to show you how to start it and get all your start times set up, your run time set up, how to run your system manually. So right now we're on run. We want to turn our dial all the way down to start time. This is where a lot of people get confused between start times and run times. Start times, you have 4 different settings that you can run through and it will start your system at 4 different times, but we usually put it only to 2 different times a day. So right now you've got it starting at 5 a.m. and that'll start your whole system. And then there's a second one that's off, third one that's off, fourth one that's off. We're going to go to the second one and we're going to set this one up. So it's just going to set your time. So we're going to use this up button, plus symbol. We're going to go to 7 o'clock p.m. We just hold it down and it'll run through it fast. We'll just set it at 5, right there. Okay, and so that'll set a second system run on all of your sections. Now we want to go down to run times. This is for every one of your sections of your lawn, each station. So we got station 1 set for 10 minutes, and we can set it down to 8 minutes. Station 2 to 9, we can set it to 8. And 3, which is usually your drip line, we'll set it at 22 minutes.